Would you like help? Oh, no, over the table so we don't drop it. There you go. Set it down. Here. It only works because Mimi's got fingernails. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Okay. Crap. Neither one of us are going to be able to do it. We both stink at this. Let's try this. Ah! Okay. It's in the hole! Oh, then you took it out! Gotta be careful with the tweezers, you can damage stuff. Maybe you're not left-handed. I know. You want me here? Let's try doing this way. Can I see? Come on now. Now you're just digging up the desk. Here, watch this. Stop. Here. You gotta get the... See? Now it's in there. Oh, it was in there. There you go. No. Ah! You're not helping the cause here, my dude. Stop. I had a magnet on here, and I think you stole my magnet, because now I can't do it. You can't get it either. You think you take a two-handed approach? Is that what we're doing? 2 sets of tweezers, we'll get it. Oh, you got it! Oh, then you dropped it.